Hello students, welcome to economics classes. In the previous video, we have discussed how to calculate median in case of less than cumulative frequency series. And dear students, today I am going to discuss the last type of questions of median. Dear students, this is the question, calculate the median from the following data. Size more than 50, more than 40, more than 30, more than 20, more than 10, और frequency beta 0, 40, 98, 123, 165. Now dear students, cumulative frequency table is of more than. In such cases also the data have to be converted into a simple continuous series and the median is calculated of ascending order. आप देखो बेटा मोर देन 10, तो मोर देन 10 के बाद लोगे 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 40 to 50, ये हमने बना दिया। और बेटा मैंने आपको पहले बोला हुआ था कि जब भी मोर देन का केस होगा तो लास्ट वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम होगा। अगर मैंने 50 to 60 लिया होता तो 0, 40 minus 0 40, 98 minus 40 98 minus 40 58, 123 minus 98 25 और 165 minus 123 42. I mean to say that in case of more than जो लास्ट का फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा वो सेम होता है, उसके बाद हम लोग माइनस करके निकाल लेते हैं. Since now we have the normal size and normal frequency and I have to calculate median now, so once again I will calculate CF. पहला बेटा 42 plus 25 67 plus 58 125 plus 40 165. So this is the now continuous series. So I will calculate 165 upon 2th. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद 82.5. अब 82.5 67 के बाद में लाई करता है, तो 82.5 आइटम विच लाइज इन 30 to 40 ग्रुप. अब बेटा ये मेरा मीडियन ग्रुप है, तो CF पहले वाला, F मीडियन ग्रुप का और लोअर लिमिट 30. तो बेटा इस वैल्यू आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन द मीडियन फार्मूला इज L1 plus N/2 minus CF upon F into Y. L1 बेटा 30 है, N/2 82.50, CF 67, F 58 और क्लास इंटरवल बेटा 10 का है. After solving this, you will get the value of median as 32.67. Now dear students, we have another very important question. Compute median from the following data. Now mid values are given. So dear students, when mid values are given, so we have to convert mid values into class interval. How I will calculate? So find out the difference. Difference is of 10 and I will divide it by 2, so it becomes 5. So what will happen? You will subtract 5 from 115 and you will add 5 to 115 and you will get the first class interval. 115 minus 5 110 and 115 plus 5 120. Now we have 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180, 180 to 190, 190 to 200. Similarly, frequency is given. You will calculate CF and total is coming 390. 390 by 2, 190 fifth item. I will search 195 over here. It will come after 151 which lies in 150 to 160. So CF is 151, F is 116 and lower limit is 150. And once again I will substitute the values in in formula L1 plus N/2 minus CF upon F into I, and the median value is coming 153.79. Now dear students, the next question is also missing figure question, which is very important. If the arithmetic mean of the data given is 28, find the missing frequency. We have already done, and the median of the series. So just I am giving you the hint. Let missing frequency be f1 or x मान लेते बेटा. Let the f is x or f1. It is up to you. तो मैं बेटा यहाँ पे x मान लेता हूँ. तो अब देखो बेटा, ये x है, ये f है. हमने मिड पॉइंट निकाल लिया. और मैंने आपको बोला हुआ है पहले भी, whenever there is a question of missing frequency, we will use the formula of direct method. x bar is sigma ff upon sigma f. fm में क्या होगा बेटा, x का कॉलम बाहर निकल आएगा 35x, and after solving this you will get the value of x or f1 as 40. The missing frequency is 20. Now dear students, I will copy the question here, profit frequency, and now it becomes easier for you. Calculate CF, and value is 100 by 250. 50 lies 30 के बाद वाले ग्रुप में. दिस इज माई मीडियन ग्रुप. ये मेरा CF, ये मेरा F, ये L1. Substituting the value in the formula, and you will get the value of median as 27.41. So dear students, we have discussed today all the different types of questions in case of median. So simple, missing frequency questions are more important. So you will do all the 3 questions today, and that's all for today. Thank you.